Hello?
Yes, Father.
Is this heaven?
Yes, Father.
Is it heaven?
Yes, Father.
I have a woman here.
Yes.
What do you have to say about her? Oh, I should ask her, who is Sibo? Sibo. Who is Sibo? Okay. All right. Okay. What else, Papa God? What else, Papa God? God is telling me to ask you, why is it he's showing me a heart? He says we should pray for your children. 2 of them. He is saying the other one is epileptic. The other one is asthmatic. He is saying I should ask you, who is in Blawayo? They are in Blawayo. Heaven is online. God is telling me to tell you your story has changed. Stand up. Stand up. Heaven is talking about a food outlet. I don't know what is that. You work where? Oh, all right. Yeah! Heaven is online. Your story has changed.
First John 4 verses 1 says, "My dear friends, do not believe all who claim to have the Spirit, but test them to find out if the Spirit they have comes from God. For many false prophets have gone out everywhere." Also Luke 6 verses 39 says that a blind cannot lead a blind, instead both of them will fall into a pit. Spirits can be tested by one praying every day that God please always show me, in the dream when I am making any wrong step in life, that can lead me to hellfire, because Jeremiah 17 verses 5 to 9 says that it is only God that can never change, that any human being can change. God says in Matthew 7 verses 15 to 23, that we shall beware of false prophets, that many will say on the last day, that in God's name they drive out demons and did many miracles, that God will reject them his everlasting kingdom, and call them fake